In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to find Instacart promo code in 2024. Instacart promo codes offer substantial cost savings on groceries and delivery fees, making the service more affordable. These discounts can ease the financial burden on households, especially during times of economic uncertainty. To do this, simply head into your Safari browser. It can be any other browser of your own choice. On the search bar, type in Instacart promo code 2024. You will see a bunch of different websites, but you will have to choose a legit website. Just like this website that has 30% off for any purchase you make. Tap into that exact website. Go ahead and choose any coupon code of your own choice. When your coupon is generated, you will have to just copy the code to clipboard. You can also tap right here to redeem directly to the official Instacart website. Make sure to enter in your email address so that you don't miss out on instant deals. Head to the Instacart official website. Paste in the coupon code before making any payment. On the payment page, double-check down if your coupon is accepted and approved before proceeding. That's how easy it is to get your Instacart promo code every month in 2024. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.